Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Age of Mythology Initialization Failed error. Guys, there is no specific fix to fix this problem. I will show you the different solution to fix this problem, so you just need to apply them one by one and see which fixes your problem. So first, completely exit from your Steam. Just click on the Steam option you are seeing on the top and exit it. So I will recommend you to restart your PC. By restarting, you can simply open up the Steam again and launch your game again. So this is the solution, but sometimes it does not work. You can go to the Windows Edit tab at the Steam and right click on the open file location. Now here you will see your Steam launcher. So right click on that and go to its properties. Now go to the compatibility tab, and here you just need to check the box of the run the program as an administrator. So your Steam has access to modify all the files. So once you check this box, just simply click on the apply, click on the OK, then just simply launch the Steam, launch the Age of Mythology, and see your problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then simply go to the library of your Steam. Now click on the Age of Mythology game. I don't have the game, but I will show you the solution. And just click on the gear icon you are seeing here and go to your game properties. Now once here, just click on the install files and just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. Now guys, here you will see the Age of Mythology game launcher, so you just need to right click on that and go to its properties. Now guys, go to the compatibility. Here you just need to check this box of the compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Guys, this is very important, and also check this box of the run the program as an administrator. Then apply this, click on the OK, then just restart your Steam and restart your game. See your problem is fixed or not. And if not, just go to the your game properties again, go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your any corrupted files or any missing files in your game. Then you can restart your Steam and launch the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if this does not fix your problem, then click on the Steam on the top and go to the Steam settings. Now go to the storage. Here, just click on the three dot option and click on the repair library. And if there is any kind of corrupted files in your Steam, then it can fix them automatically. Then go to the downloads, click on the clear cache, click on the confirm. Once you clear the download cache on Steam, if your problem is still not fixed, then you can go to the Windows tab here, the Windows update, and open it. And guys, if there is any kind of available update for your Windows, then just simply update it, because the unupdated Windows will also cause issues like this initialization failed. If your problem is still not fixed, then you just need to update your graphic card. So you can go to the Windows tab with the device manager, open it. Here you will see the display adapters. You can open it, you will see your graphic card. So you can simply update it. After updating your graphic card, you can simply launch the Steam again, launch your game, and I hope one of these solutions will fix your problem. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.